So the next we use the words you should new. You should new is mean export and import. Should is mean something get out, right? In new is mean something get in, but you is mean that export, and that mean that you bring something in and out. So in the case like this, they say you should new is mean you export, you bring something out and you get something in. So this means import and export. I see here we have the example like you should new kanji wa daiji na shikoto desu. You should new kanji wa daiji na shikoto desu. It means export and import control is important. Kanji is mean control, and you should new is mean import and export. Daiji na shikoto, daiji is mean important. Shikoto is mean job, so this mean is important job. So in the truth that you have to control the export and import. If you already have the goods or you already have that product, you do need to import, right? So that's important. If you import, that will impact the price or the cost in your country, so you have to control. It means that control is important job.